Buying your first car in the U.S. without a credit history might feel impossible. You walk into a dealership excited, only to be told, sorry, we can't approve you without credit. And just like that, your dream hits a wall. But here's the truth, no one's telling you you can buy a car, even with zero credit. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. Step by step. No fluff. No false promises. Just straight talk and practical strategies designed for people like you, immigrants, newcomers, or anyone starting from scratch financially. Imagine this, having your own car, not depending on rides, buses, or anyone else. Gaining freedom, flexibility, and the power to go wherever you need. It's not just about convenience, it's about control over your life. And the best part? You don't need a perfect financial past to get there. You just need the right strategy, and that's exactly what you're getting today. Now, before we dive in, I want you to think about this. Every week, we drop powerful videos like this, packed with tools and secrets that banks and salesmen won't tell you. If you hit that like button and subscribe right now, you're not just helping this channel grow, you're unlocking a path to smarter, faster financial wins in the U.S., so do it now, and let's keep building your future, one smart move at a time. Ready to take the wheel of your own financial freedom? Let's begin. So first, let's talk about the real challenge of trying to buy a car with no credit history. This is a situation that millions of people, especially immigrants, face every day. And it's frustrating, because the system feels like it's built against you. You might have a steady job, you might be responsible, but without that magic number, the credit score, banks and dealerships look at you as a risk. Even if you're earning enough to make monthly payments, your lack of credit history is like a red flag waving in front of every lender. What they don't tell you is that this has nothing to do with who you are it's just how the system works. In the U.S., credit history is everything. It's not just about buying cars. It affects your rent, your utilities, even job applications sometimes. So when you walk in without that number, you're seen as invisible. And what happens? You either get denied, or they offer you terrible loan terms, huge down payments, sky-high interest rates, and conditions that can trap you in long-term debt. But here's the good news. Just because the system works this way doesn't mean you're out of options. You just need to understand how to play the game, and how to show lenders that you're trustworthy, even without a credit score. This is about strategy. It's about preparation. And most importantly, it's about confidence, because if you walk into that dealership armed with the right tools, you're no longer just a hopeful buyer, you're a serious negotiator. So let's break it down into a step-by-step game plan. The first thing you need is a clear and realistic budget. A lot of people make the mistake of shopping for cars before knowing what they can actually afford. But here's the secret, lenders love seeing that you've done your homework. If you walk in knowing your monthly income, your monthly expenses, and what you can comfortably spend on a car payment, you've already earned their respect. Next, gather proof of income. If you don't have credit, your ability to make consistent payments becomes your most valuable asset. Bring recent pay stubs, tax returns, or a letter from your employer verifying your job and salary. The more stable your income looks, the better your chances of approval. And if you're self-employed? No problem, just make sure you bring bank statements that show regular deposits. Now let's talk about down payment. The more you can put down up front, the more seriously you'll be taken. Think of it as skin in the game. A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 10% to 20% of the car's total value. But even if you can only afford a small down payment, having something to offer shows responsibility. It tells the lender, I'm committed. I've prepared. And that makes a big difference. Another powerful move? Bring references. Personal or professional, a short list of people who can vouch for your reliability adds a human element to your application. It's not standard practice, but in situations where your credit file is thin, personal credibility can go a long way. Now let's talk options. because once you're prepared, you need to know where to go. Traditional banks might not be your best bet if you have no credit history. Instead, try credit unions. These member-owned institutions are often more flexible, especially with first-time buyers. They might offer better interest rates, and they're more likely to look at your entire financial picture, not just your credit score. Another path is the first-time buyer program offered by some dealerships. These are specifically designed for people who have no credit, and they often come with built-in terms to help you succeed. Yes, the interest might be slightly higher, but if you pay on time, it can be the foundation of your credit journey. You can also explore the buy here, pay here model, dealerships that finance the car in-house. This is easier to qualify for, but be careful, these usually come with extremely high interest rates. If you go this route, negotiate hard and double-check the contract. Predatory lending is real, and you don't want your first car to become a financial trap. Another option that many overlook is getting a cosigner someone with good credit who vouches for you. This drastically increases your chances of approval and gives you access to better rates. But remember, this is a big responsibility. If you miss payments, it affects both you and your cosigner's credit. Only go this route if you're 100% sure you can make your payments on time. Now, let us quickly go over the biggest mistakes people make when trying to buy a car with no credit, so you can avoid them. First, do not accept the first offer you get. Dealers count on you being desperate or uninformed. Always compare multiple lenders. Second, don't focus only on the monthly payment. A low monthly payment might look good, but if it stretches the loan over 7 years, you'll pay thousands more in interest. Third, don't skip the fine print. Some dealerships will sneak in hidden fees, add-ons, and even penalties for paying off your loan early. Read everything, and if something doesn't make sense, ask. And lastly, never forget, just because they say you qualify doesn't mean it's a good deal. Qualifying doesn't mean it's affordable. Be smart, and walk away from anything that doesn't fit your plan. Now here's a bonus most people miss you can actually use your car loan to start building credit. That's right, your auto loan, if reported to the credit bureaus, becomes a line on your credit report. So if you make payments on time every month, your credit starts to grow. You go from invisible to credible. And if you want to go one step further, pair your car loan with a secured credit card. These are easy to get approved for and are great tools for building credit fast. Use it for small purchases, pay it off in full every month, and within 6 to 12 months, you'll start to see your credit score take shape. Let's recap, no credit doesn't mean no car. It means you need a plan. Budget smart. Prove your income. Bring a down payment. Choose the right lender. Avoid the traps. And use the process to build your financial future. Before we wrap up, here's a final tip. If you're not in a rush, consider saving aggressively for just 3 to 6 more months. That extra time can give you a stronger down payment, more proof of financial stability, and better negotiation power. Sometimes waiting a little longer now can save you thousands in the long run. If this video helped you, drop a like, it tells the algorithm to show it to more people just like you. And if you want more step-by-step guides like this one, hit subscribe now. Every week, I share new strategies to help you master the U.S. financial system, from credit to cars to complete freedom, your credit journey starts today. And it starts with the keys to your first car. Let's go. Sure. Here's a new, impactful closing narration with a natural call to action for your YouTube channel from credit to zero written in a tone that maintains attention and encourages conversion without sounding forced, and there you have it. Buying a car with no credit history isn't just a dream, it's a strategy. The key isn't about having the perfect score, it's about knowing how the system works and using that knowledge to your advantage. If you made it this far, it means you're serious about taking control of your financial journey in the U.S. And that's exactly what we do here at Asterisk. From credit to zero asterisk, we turn confusion into confidence, and frustration into freedom. So, if this video opened your eyes or gave you a plan to follow, don't let it stop here. Hit that like button, not for us, but for you. It tells the algorithm you want more content that actually helps you. And if you haven't yet, subscribe right now. Why? Because every week, we drop strategies, tips, and real immigrant-friendly financial guides that no bank is telling you about. We're not here for hype. We're here to get you from credit invisible to credit unstoppable. One step at a time. One video at a time. This is your path. This is your power. And this is From Credit to Zero.